Hello, good day everyone. Just want everyone to participate in this wonderful opportunity that is going to end very soon. And I don't want those that might be able to afford it to miss it because they are not well informed. This channel now that you are going to have access to create and submit to CTC ecosystem. We are not the one to manage it. We are not the one to look for followers. We are not the one to create content and post on the channel. Our own is just to buy a pre-sale. Once you buy this pre-sale now, you will be given an opportunity to create your channel. After creating the channel, you will submit it to CTC ecosystem and your work is complete. You are not going to do anything again. CTC management will be the one to provide followers for your channel, and your followers will keep on growing as the CTC ecosystem continues to grow. Then for the content that will be posted on the channel, you are not the one to create the content and you are not the one to post it. They will hire a professional content creator that will be creating content and be posting on your channel on your behalf, and your channel will be growing and producing money every month. Then you get your own share. Your own share of what the channel produce will be determined by your channel ownership ratio, and this channel ownership ratio, you can increase it to any ratio you want. Why I'm having 0.25% ratio is because I purchased $100 share. If I buy another $100 share now, it will, $100 pre-sale now, it will increase to 0.5. If I buy another one, it will increase to 0.75. The more I buy, the more my percentage ratio will keep increasing. So I will still buy more. If I have my way, I will even buy up to $1,000 so that I can have 5% share of whatever my channel generate. That is my prayer. I want to make out time and money to buy up to 1,000 pre-sale share to have 5%. I want to have 5% here, so that if my channel make $100,000 in a month, I should be going home with at least $5,000 in a month as my own share without doing anything, and this is for life. So how to purchase this share? You come here. After you sign up with the link I will drop on the description of this video, then you come to this menu. When you log in, you will see yourself on this menu. Then the first thing you need to do is to come to wallet, click on wallet, then tap on wallet, and you come here. You see that your wallet will be zero because you don't have anything yet. So what do you need to do? You go to deposit, click on make a deposit, then you come here, you put amount you want to deposit. For instance, you want to deposit $100 because that is the minimum you can use to buy the pre-sale for now. $100 is the minimum. Then you click on next. It will generate this address for you. This is USDT BEP20. Then you copy the address, go and make a deposit. After you make a deposit, you come here and click on next. Then you upload the transaction hash of that deposit you made. Provide the transaction hash here, then upload the screenshot of the payment proof, the proof of payment. Then you click on submit. Then you wait for your money to be displayed on your wallet. Click on wallet. Anytime you come and see that the money has appeared here, then the next thing you have to do is go back here, go to this place that say buy or purchase BTT, then click on buy. Then because I don't have any money, that is why it says sorry, your balance is too low, please make a deposit. If I have money here now, it will not give me options of pre-sale, BITTOKEN Presale that I can choose from. The first option there is $100, the following one is 500, another one 1,000, and then as it continues, you see your category. And I believe some of you will start with $100 like me. You choose $100, then you click on buy. That's all. Once you buy, you now come here. After some hours, you come, you will notice that your percentage ratio has shown here, which is what you are going to be enjoying from your channel when you create and submit it to BITTOKEN. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to your profile here, click on user details, then your own details is here. The first detail is your own, then this one is for your next of kin. Some people are still joking with CTC ecosystem. They think that is this normal airdrop that we are doing, come today go tomorrow. This is a project that is going to exist for as long as internet exists, just like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. This is how CTC is going to exist. It's going to outlive so many people. So many people will leave this project, will die and go, while this project will still remain. And that is why they provide a place for next of kin, so that even if you are no longer available, you are no longer alive, your next of kin will continue collecting what you have planted in CTC ecosystem for life. And if that person is about to go, he will still put another next of kin from generation to generation. That this is what we call generational wealth. Don't play with this opportunity. Then after that, when you are done purchasing this your pre-sale and you have gotten this ratio here, you chat me up. I will guide you on how to create your channel and how to submit it to CTC ecosystem, so that they will start working on your channel to set it up for it to start generating income for you on monthly basis. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Don't miss this opportunity for any reason. God bless you.